Okay, hi guys. Can you hear me? Okay. All right, let's. Today's Saturday, and I'm actually in the office working. This is usually the time we do some maintenance to our network, do a lot of stuffs in the server. So there's no other people here. Yeah, the building is totally empty. Like sometimes there's only 3 of us in this building, and yeah, we can just do whatever we want. We don't usually do maintenance on the weekdays or yeah, on the weekdays, because if there's a problem, it would like affect the production. So nakauna-una lang kung mag-vlog karon kay I realize nga kanang wala kayo ko nakahatag gid sa inyo og more information or daghan nga information about at akong gi-share previously. So today akong itatry ko ang best kong maka-share sa inyo ng mga tips kung paano maka-apply ng trabaho dito sa Canada. Nakausap ako ng look by the way, look at outside. There's weather looks so good, right? It looks hot, but actually it's negative 21 degrees right now. So sobrang lamig niyan, guys. Like negative 21 plus the wind chill, it would like reach negative 29 or 28. So ganyan po kalamig dito. I know how to speak Tagalog already, but okay, itatry ko akong best na okay, I will try my best to speak with you in Tagalog. So, paano nga ba makahanap ng trabaho dito sa Canada? May nakilala ako before na nakapunta siya dito sa Canada through galing siya ng Dubai. Nag-apply siya doon sa Dubai, online lang, naghanap-hanap siya ng trabaho dito sa Indeed din, indeed.ca. Tapos ang company na yun ay Sitel. Yung position na is nakuha niya is customer service representative, parang call center din. So nag-apply siya doon at saka na-replyan naman siya at saka hiningan siya ng mga requirements at napakita niya, and the company decided to sponsor her. And then she landed here in Canada as well as an immigrant through the AIPP. Yung AIPP is for Atlantic regions like Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Prince Edward's Island, yeah, PEI, and Newfoundland. I think I'm just not really sure about Newfoundland, but yeah. So ang AIPP, ang only requirement niyan para maging immigrant ka dito sa Canada is you have to have an employer that is willing to sponsor your application. So yun yung ginawa niya. So na-sponsoran siya, tapos last year lang din, around August, I think. Yeah, August. Nakarating siya dito bilang immigrant. So I asked her how did she applied, and then yun nga, sinabi niya naghanap-hanap lang siya online, and naswertehan din. May narinig din ako kasing story about may nag-apply din sa Sitel din. Tapos she was about to go here na in Canada, pero hindi natuloy kasi nag-decide ang Sitel on the very last minute na hindi mag-proceed muna because um, they will be closing their office here in St. John, and they will be having a home base instead of like a office base. So yun nga, sa pagkakaalam ko, yung mga employer na nag-sponsor dito ay yung Subway, ano pa ba, Tim Hortons, DQ, Nature's Fresh. Yun yung mga company na maraming Pinoy dito na nagtatrabaho as a service crew ng mga fast food. So if you guys are, I just really don't know the details of where you can apply or how, but just try searching it na lang. At least you now have an idea about this company. Natanong ko nga din pala yung isang Pinoy dito na nagtatrabaho sa Tim Hortons. Ang ano daw, ang company na ang agency nila is Mercan, MERCAN. Yun daw yung nag-process lahat ng lahat para sa kanila. So Mercan ang name ng agency, so I think it's legit. Excuse me guys So yun yung yun yung idadagdag ko sa akong previous video. We actually have fruits here. We have banana. Itong bananang to galing pa siguro sa Pilipinas. Honduras. Sometimes yung bananas na nandito is may tatak na Del Monte. Ito din apple at saka clementine. Libre po yan lahat. Doon din, kukuha ka lang. Tsaka we also have coffee, hot choco, whatever you want. At saka free din yung pagkain namin dito. But usually, yung kinakain kasi nila itong mga ganito. Cereals. Oats. So, hindi ako nabubusog sa mga ganyan guys. So, nagbabaon talaga ako ng rice. Yeah, I'm just on my break kasi masyadong masakit sa likod, nakaupo lang lagi. So, I decided to take a break. Gusto ko sanang lumabas dun, maglakad-lakad ng konti. But it's just really cold. Like I tried it earlier, lumabas ako mga saglit lang, not even 5 minutes. Sobrang sakit na ng kamay ko. Di ko na ma-feel yung kamay ko, kaya bumalik na ako dito sa loob. So, yun lang po ang masashare ko ngayon guys. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section. I will try my best to answer it. At saka pasensya na din if hindi ako nakakasagot agad. Kasi medyo sometimes I'm doing other stuff. So, yun lang po. Salamat sa panonood ng aking vlog. Yeah. And I apologize as well for my if mayroon kayong hindi maintindihan because I'm not really used to speak in Tagalog. Actually, just a side story. When I got here, that was the only time I really tried speaking Tagalog because most of the people here or most of the friends that I have here are Tagalog. Kaya wala akong choice kundi mag-practice mag-Tagalog. Kaya medyo nakakastorya. Nakakasalita na ako ng Tagalog ngayon ng diretso, but hindi pa ganyan ka-clear. So I know this would sound really funny, but I'm just trying my best for our Tagalog friends because I received a comment that asking me, sir, please speak in Tagalog. So at least would understand. So that's what I'm doing in this vlog. Thank you guys. I'm going back to work now. I'll see you in my next vlog. Have a great day. Daghang salamat kayo. Bye-bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end. We take